Hi, hey guys, it's me, Rodney Marquez. Yes, it's been a long time since I posted a video, probably like 5 months. But today I fished Lake Poway for trout. It is the first day of the trout opener. It is really busy down there, so there's a lot of pressure, but the fishing's really good. I'm gonna show you what rig that really worked for me today. So let's start off with the rod and reel. I'm using a Airstream 2-piece ultra light fast action rod from Bass Pro Shops, and then I'm using a 500 Sienna reel spooled with 2-pound test because I'm going to be using this jig right here. It's really small. It's probably an inch. So I'm using a mini jig. That is the technique that worked really well this morning. I limited probably 30 minutes of mini jigging for 4 trout. The rig that I'm using is just a good old Eagle Claw, a 1 32-ounce jig head, and then I pair it with the rig of choice that I like. So what really worked today was this, it's on my rod, is this green, a little bit more of a natural color. I was catching majority of the fish prior to sunrise. Right now it's sunrise because I'm making this video, but darker colors seem to work versus this color right here. Like you could see my jig head here wasn't getting bit, so I moved on to a natural color, which this one really worked. When you're mini jigging for trout, you have to keep this mini jig, this 132-ounce, buoyant in the water. So that's why the name jigging. So you're doing this little rod twitch while reeling in. That keeps that mini jig in the water column because a lot of the trout aren't going to be on the surface. They're not going to be down in on the bottom, just like spotted bay bass or largemouth bass. They're going to be swimming in the middle of the water column. So you have to keep this mini jig in the middle of the water column. The jigging action really entices a lot of the curious trout or some of the hungry trout to bite this jig. The key tip for casting mini jigs is trying to get that lure right in front of its mouth. So if you can intercept where the trout is going to be, so if this is the trout and here's my mini jig, if you're going to intercept, you have a high chance of getting a bite rate from that trout. It doesn't work all the time, but you have a better chance than most. Another tip that I like is using polarized glasses because there's a huge glare down there, and a lot of people weren't using glasses, and I got my limit because I was able to see the trout through the glare and use that mini jig and intercept the trout and got 4 trout to bite. So I hope you enjoy this little footage. Again, it's been really hard for me to fish lately because of school and family, so those are more of a priority. But I really appreciate all the positive vibes and that you took your time to watch this video and really support me throughout the journey. So again, if you really like this video, and you know, if I get enough likes, let's say, I don't know, 300 likes on this video, then I'll make another one. That's it for today's video. Again, my name is Rodney Marquez, and always, thanks for watching. See ya.